biggest beach ba siya talaga, or lake? Lake, but we call it Willow Beach. Sa Arizona na siya. We are on our way there, and it's at least 30 miles away from Las Vegas. Kaya yun, it's just a very quick getaway from all the stuff that's going on in the city, and at the same time, ito lang yung talagang weekend namin. Well, not really, because Beb had to work this morning. But now we're free, so we're gonna go there. We already got some lunch. We bought some from L&L Hawaiian, and then we're just gonna hang out. Hopefully the water is not that cold para makapag swimming naman ng konti. And then that's pretty much it. Mag-enjoy lang and relax. So stay tuned. So this is what we call Lake Mead. This is our water source here in Las Vegas. However, as you can see, it's the water level is very low now. So it's actually a critical level. We are sharing that with California, diba? Or Arizona. We're sharing the water with Arizona, and it's very rare for us to get rain. And even if it rains, hindi din siya masyadong nakatulong dito, hindi masyadong nag-fill up yung tubig. So ayun, medyo hirap tayo sa tubig dito sa Las Vegas ngayon. Dito na yan, diba? Supposed to be Hoover Dam. Below is the Hoover Dam, but you can't see it here. This is just a bridge for transportation. And then in a few seconds we are going to approach a different state, and we are going to welcome to Arizona. Yan. And we are in Arizona now. So we just paid the entrance fee. It's $25 for a regular car. It's good for 7 days, but we're only gonna be using it for today. And then yun, from there meron pa siyang at least a mile or two before we reach the actual 1.7 or 3.7 miles. Yeah, bago natin marating yung tubig talaga. So ayun, it's also a nice place here to do or to go fishing, kasi dito yung hatchery nila, nagre-release sila ng isda dito, at least on a weekly basis. So meron kang mahuhuli dito if you're a fanatic ka ng pag-fishing. Kasi Beb hindi ready, pero nag-fishing yan. Alam niya yan, mga in and out ng mga ins and outs, yun, ins and outs ng pag-fishing. Marami siyang fishing rods and hooks and lines, you name it, he has it. Pero hindi siya prepare ngayon. Wala siyang license to fish. Kaya hanggang lang muna tayo. Tampisaw lang, at saka late lunch. Chill lang. Ayan. can see my screen. Kung anong nakikita ninyo. Yeah. And if you want to grill, they also have a grill here. So pwede kayo magluto. Just have to get your or bring your own coal. Uling nyo. So ayan. What do we have, babe?
Yours. Okay. Let's eat. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay, there's a napkin here.
So maraming langaw. Then this is the fish. And so, mga tayon, kain po. Let's eat here at Willow Beach. Wow.
Very quick. Willow Beach. Willow Beach. Okay. Kaya marami silang nagbe-beach ngayon. Sobrang init. Tama ba yung pronunciation natin ng beach? Yan. Malamig ang tubig. So may mga nagpi-fishing doon. Yan yung fishing dock nila. Usually nagpi-fish ako dyan dati. Kaso walang kumakagat na isda. So kaya hindi ako nagkaroon ng interest na mag-fishing ngayon dahil malamig pa?
Malamig.
Tampisaw na ganyan. Ayan. Ang ganda dito. Ang gandang pagpasta. Nakagitna doon sa usad ka ng konti.
Usad ka ng konti.
Ayan. Ay, mananakit ang rayuma dyan. Ayan, doon hanggang doon yan. So ito, bali, saan doon yung ano eh? Ang banda yung Hoover Dam. Baba ito ng Hoover Dam. Lahat naman yata may ganyan eh.
Lalagyan daw ng kamatis.
Oo ka. Pwede.
Ayan, dami oh. Dami oh.
Ayan, oh, sige, tubog na kayo. Sunog na tayo rito. Hindi tayo prepared. Wala tayong sunblock. Nabuha. So ayan yung palibot na valley. Ito yung valley niya. Usually dyan sila banda nagre-release ng kumakita. Nagre-release ng isda. think every Friday yata.
Pinag-iisipan mo.
Yeah. Oh. Tubog ka na. Lumubog ka na. Maganda yung boat niya, rubber boat. Hindi tayo ng ganyan. Dalhin natin sa Pilipinas. Sakto sa ano natin. Pag hindi mo dinala yung ano ba?
I do this.
Si Jezebel.
Daw siya eh. Nang paunti-unti. Guys, so dito kami sa may tubig. Sama ko si Mother Dear na nagtatampisaw. It's really cold but it's nice at the same time. Hindi siya yung, meron kasing times dito na pag lumulublob ka sa tubig tapos pag ahon mo, yung nangangatog ka sa lamig. This one is different. So, pag lumublob ka, it's very cold, pero pag ahon mo, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Oh!
Pupunta sana ako sini. Nagtaas pa. Ano ba yan? Hello. May kamaliligo.
Mga muntik na. Muntik ng dumiretso. Ano ba yan? So, ayan na. Ngayon na lang nagkakayak. Sobrang dilim nung camera ko ngayon kasi sobrang init. So, I can't really see what I'm shooting. But hopefully, nakikita nyo naman. Matama naman yung angles ko. So, ayan. Si Mother, nakaupo siya sa may bato. May bato dyan na inuupuan niya. Eh, nag-try siyang lumublob. Eh, tumaas yung paa niya. Kaya diretso siya sa baba. Kaya, ayan. So, hanggang dyan, ganyan lang tayo. So, enjoy lang. There are a lot of people that are fishing. And they're right there. Yung fishing dock. So, yun yung spot. And you have to have yung license, you have to buy it for you to be allowed to fish here. Magbabayad ka nun. It's good for 1 year. Bev had one pero na-expire. So, yun. Hindi siya pwedeng mag-fishing. But we're actually planning to come back here kasi before winter, I think this is the right time to come here and enjoy the beach before mag-winter. So, ayun. Hi, Beb.
Ayan na.
Ayan na. And kumukulog. Ayan na. Ano na? Madilim.
Maligo pag may ano eh.
Madilim. Kulog. ayun, tapos ang ating adventure. Ba't may tubig dito?
May gripo doon.
Oh, may gripo. So, ayun guys, bye! And guys, so dyan po nagtatapos ang ating little adventure. And, bigyan siya ng buttons pa. So, ayun. Nakapagtampisaw kami ni Mother. Tsaka, sobrang init kanina, but it was worth it. The weather was nice. At the same time, malamig yung tubig. Balance lang. So, ayan. Ito pa rin tayo. Yung mga boats. Kumukulog ngayon, so I don't know if it's really gonna rain or paarte lang ng langit. But anyway, a lot of people are already packing. They're about to leave, and so we are also gonna leave now. And here at Willow Beach, they also have may nakalagay na karatula. They have a restaurant, but we've never been there, so I don't know kung ano. But it says store restaurant. So yan. Yung dock, yung boat dyan. So, ayun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Bisayang Ilocana, and also my Facebook page. It's also Bisayang Ilocana. Again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose, and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!